Ain't she pretty? Been working our tails off, but what we're going to do is we're going to take this KiwiGrip and we're going to try and make an edge around the boat.
Like rubber.
Like rubber.
Like the rubber you would buy to put up and then you would screw it in and stuff. We're going to make our own.
Yeah. It shouldn't retain water, so it shouldn't mold or anything like that, which will be a good thing. And you know, it's going to add an accent to the boat. Should look pretty, and maybe it'll add some protection to your legs if you actually get your leg under there and scrape it.
Well, yeah, I'm going to definitely make sure that that's covered. But it took a lot of work to put this tape on like this.
Yeah.
I made it a 1 inch, which is actually more than the rubber covers. And it's just because there was some staining that I want to get rid of, so.
She was going, I was singing the song, How Low Can You Go? Because she was like way down low.
I know how to put on some tape, let me tell you.
My knees were aching just watching it. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get this done. And hopefully you like it and it turns out well. We like the floor. Or gives you
ideas for what you can do as a project instead of having to buy all the expensive stuff to replace.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that there's, you know, when you're doing a DIY boat, I think that you can actually get a little bit more creative and custom with it.
And save money.
And save money.
Okay guys, so we got the kiwi on the floor. That was last video. This video we're doing this kiwi strip around here to replace the rubber. And
did a nice job.
It did its job. Yeah. So
probably could have gone a little thicker, but we ran out. So, but this doesn't cut you. I mean, I can sit here and do this.
No, it's not sharp.
No, it's not sharp. And
it covered up the holes where they drilled through, I guess, mounting the other rubber in there. So, KiwiGrip, not a bad product. It is kind of expensive. That's the one thing I don't like about it, because the other paint we used, which if we probably would have went with the light gray, would have been great for the floor, and we would have been satisfied.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Because it didn't give the grip. Actually, it was too shiny.
It was too shiny.
That's the reason why I didn't really like it.
And I like the rubber feel of my feet. It feels...
Yeah, it's kind of, it feels rubbery.
It feels like a bed liner in the truck.
Yeah.
So I like that.
Yeah.
And so the floor is done. Now we're on to other pieces of this project, like windows and engines and whatnot. So hopefully we can pump them out as quickly.
Despite the fact that we actually hired somebody to do an engine.
Yeah, we did. We outsourced that, and they...
Look at that video back a year ago.
Way
See that drama.
So that that mechanic we did do a crate engine, so it's a new engine, but he lost all the parts off of it. So
Right.
it's going to cost.
We have to spend more money to replace.
So I had to pay him. I paid him a discount rate. I should have paid him a no rate because he cost me more than he's worth. And now I have to go back and accessorize the engine myself.
Right.
Doing that, I'm going to get the windows on here. Gotta have some windows. Also, a vendor has sent us a phone mount. I'm going to do a review on that. I'm actually liking it, so y'all stay tuned for that. It's pretty decent.
And it's going to cover this hole.
No,
Or
it's
no,
not.
okay, there's
No,
something
that's-
else
that's-
covering the hole.
That's another accessory that's going to go in that hole. Just have to figure out how to stick it in the hole. That's what she said, huh?
I'm done.
So, also be sure to check out Dining with Danielle. Great recipes released every week, and cooking up something special right now. Really love it. So y'all watch that every Wednesday, or sign up, subscribe for the notifications so you get email notifications. You can also subscribe to our travel and our reviews, DIYs, and all that on there. I'm kind of slow on DIYs and travel, but if you want recipes, every Wednesday they come out. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there somewhere. Looks like this. You can also hit the bell on this channel. So it's supposed to give you the ad reminder if you need it. I've had some people say that they still don't get reminded even though they click the bell, so I don't know what's up with that. And y'all please take care.